So good day everyone, my name is Edwin Macaligata. I'll be doing a return demonstration of female catheterization. So prior to the procedure, I'm going to check first the doctor's order for catheterization. So nextly, I'm going to identify the patient and also I'm going to explain the procedure. So good day ma'am, my name is Edwin Macaligata. I'm your student nurse for today. So, ma'am, may I know your name and may I hold your wristband? So, ma'am, can you please state your name, age, birthday? Okay. So, ma'am, what do you want me to call you for the assessment ko? Okay, so, ma'am. I'm here to put catheter in your uterus to drain your bladder to collect urine because according to your physician, you have urinary difficulties of urinating. So, will that be okay to you? Also pala ma'am, I'll be exposing some parts of your genital area. Will that be okay to you? Okay, so you have any clarification, questions, or concern before we start? Okay, so before we start, I'm going to perform hand hygiene. This prevents to cross contamination, also to prevent spread of infection. Now I'm going to position, ma'am, I'm going to position you in a dorsal recumbent. So assuming that this patient has now placed in the dorsal recumbent with her knees flex rather. So okay, so now ma'am, I'm going to expose some parts of your genital area. So now I'm going to drape you and exposing only the parts that is to be needed. I'm going to drape the patient. Okay, exposing the parts that is to be needed only. Okay, so exposing the parts. Okay, so nextly, I'm going to apply the direct light to her genital area. So to apply light, I'll check if there are any. Okay, there are none. Any lesions? Okay, nextly, I'm going to open the tray and arrange the equipment. I'm going to open the tray. I'm going to put the urinary bag. Need to be below her waist. Okay. So now I'll be placing waterproof drape under her buttocks. So now ma'am, I'll be placing waterproof drape under her buttocks. So it's going to up his buttocks with that drape. Nextly, I'm going to apply sterile gloves. Nextly, I'm going to attach the preferred syringe to the um, catheter inflation. So this is the syringe. This is the catheter. Okay. Now I'm going to lubricate the catheter about 2.5 to 5 centimeters, being careful not to drain the eye plug of the catheter. So this is my lubricant. So I'm going to lubricant it 2.5 to 5. Okay. Done lubricating it. Nextly, I'm going to I'm going to put the sheet of the covered area. Go back to my catheter. I'm going to put this back. Put the catheter. I'm going to put the catheter into the tray. Make sure that it's not touching the. Make sure that it is sterile. Fix the tray. Here's my tray. Put the catheter into the tray. So now I'm going to cleanse the meatus. I'm going to cleanse the meatus by doing the the catheter about 3 inches from the tip of the thumb. Also, place the thumb of the finger to your labia minora to the left or right hand. It depends on you. Now I'll be inserting this catheter into the midst of 2 to 3 inches. Now I'll be putting it. Now, nextly, if the specimen is to be collected, pinch the catheter using the non-dominant hand and use the other dominant hand to place the specimen container into position. Okay. Assuming this is the specimen container, I improvise it. Okay. So nextly, I'm gonna hold the catheter in a non-dominant hand and inflates the retention balloon with the designated volume. Okay, designated volume. Okay, so nextly, I'm going to connect the catheter to the urine bag. So I'm going to connect the catheter to the urine bag. Okay, so now I'm going to wipe any remaining antiseptic or lubricant from the peritoneal area. Oh. Other side. Now I'll be securing the indual catheter by taping it into the patient's thigh. So I'll be patient's thigh. Okay. Okay. Discards all the supplies inappropriately. You throw it to the trash can. Okay, so now perform hand hygiene to prevent infection or cross-contamination. Now place the patient comfortably. So now ma'am, I'll be placing you comfortably. So ma'am, are you comfortable now? Okay po. So now I'll be documenting the catheterization. Catheterization.